Would you like to attract wildlife and support nature in your garden, whilst providing an oasis for birds? Introducing the Blagdon No-Dig Nature Pool, where the beauty of nature is supported by the elegance of design. The nature pool comes as a kit and features a 190-litre quick-build pool that can be moved with ease, an ergonomically designed wildlife ladder, varied depth bathing and drinking beach area with planting pocket. Enhancing the ambience, the kit features a Blagdon Liberty floating 2.2-watt solar fountain pump, offering stunning fountain displays. Designed and tested to perform effectively in UK weather conditions. The sight and sound of the water movement acts as a beacon to this oasis. And even if you're not near wildlife, do not fear. Creatures will venture far and wide to seek it out. The pool also features a planting pocket for marginal aquatic plants. And the main pool area is suitable for planting a variety of other aquatic flora. The kit also features an area under the ladder to create your very own wildlife hotel. Setting up your nature pool is a breeze. With our easy, no-dig, click-fit system, the pool comes with everything included. Just click, 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 and you're done. And in the winter, wildlife can be supported by adding a pond ice vent heater to keep the water accessible. For your peace of mind, this strong and long-lasting wildlife retreat comes with a 3-year guarantee. The Blagdon Nature Pool adds enjoyment to every garden and is a wonderful experience to share. Educational, aspirational, natural, inspired to support and enjoy nature in your garden. Find your very own no-dig nature pool in store or online. See our website for more information.